Hello, everyone, and welcome to General Psychology. I will be your professor for this semester. My name is Afsha Hassan. You guys can call me Professor Hassan, and I'm so excited for this semester. I'm going to introduce myself a little bit before I actually get into the syllabus, but I am a psychology professor here at San Bernardino Valley College, as well as Long Beach City College. So if you can't find my professor for SBVC, check it under LBCC, and it'll be there. I've been teaching there a little bit longer. So I've been teaching as a whole for around 2.5 years now, and I teach a lot of different subjects. I teach abnormal psych, social psych, intro to psych. So my journey of how I got here did start off in community college, so much like you guys, right? So I have a lot of respect for my community college as well as my professors there, and I wouldn't be where I am like right now without them. So I feel like because of that, I have a better understanding of how to make things easier for you guys because that is my main goal for this class. I want you guys to learn without stressing about this class, right? So let's go over the syllabus right now, and I'm going to talk about what to expect, and then I'll show you how to navigate the course in another video. But let's get into the syllabus and how you can find it. So I'm going to share my screen right now, and I'll show you guys how you can access the syllabus. So when you log into your Canvas, this is going to be the page that you see. You're going to scroll down, and it says Psych 100 Syllabus. You're going to click on it. You can download it so you can have it. But here is what shows up. So this is an online asynchronous class, right? So that means that we will not have any Zoom meetings. There's no specific time we meet up. You'll have a list of things to do for the week, and then you just complete it whenever you can during the entire week. If you want to do all of it on Monday, you can do that. If you want to wait till last minute, that is completely up to you, right? So I do have office hours on Zoom Tuesdays, 1 to 2 p.m. or by appointment if those timings don't work for you. If you just email me, we can set up another time and meet up. No worries. So the best email you can reach me at is ahassan@valleycollege.edu. So this one, you can email that, and I will respond, or through Canvas. I respond through Canvas a lot faster as well. So one of those two should work. So the course description, what are we going to be learning in general psych? So we have a lot of different branches of psychology, right? So we're probably going to be going over almost every single one that we can, right? So you'll be learning a lot of different parts of psychology, a lot of different branches in one class. So it's going to be a lot of different things that we're going to be learning. Here are the student learning outcomes. These are just things that after the course is done, you'll be able to do. So please go ahead and do that on your own, read it through. Now, the textbook, I've been getting a lot of emails on which textbook I use, so you can buy it. However, I am putting a textbook on here just because this is the textbook I use to create my class, but you do not have to buy it. This is not a required textbook for my class. I believe that you can be successful in my class without getting the textbook, so I don't recommend it. However, if you want to buy the textbook on your own and you just want it as a supplemental as reading, that is completely up to you. However, I do not recommend it or require it for my class, so if you don't want to buy it, that is totally fine. Okay, some course policies. When I show you how to navigate the course, I'll show you how the grades work. But really quickly, I want to say I will not be assigning any zeros. You will get at least partial credit. That's guaranteed if you complete the assignment. If you do not complete the assignment, that is a completely different story. But let's get into what the assignments are going to be. So we have 3 different types and categories. We have weekly discussions, quizzes, and assignments. So let's talk about the discussions first. There's 5 throughout this entire 11-week course. They're 10 points each. Okay, so these will basically just be prompts that you reply to. Okay, so you can have a discussion and a quiz one week, and it just kind of depends on what we're learning that week. But a discussion is just a prompt you're going to reply to, and then your peers are going to reply to you, and you have to reply to a peer as well. Those are 10 points each. Then we have check-in quizzes. Now, everyone gets really scared whenever they hear quizzes, but remember, these are check-in quizzes. The reason why I use quizzes is because I believe that's the best way to learn is when you quiz yourself. So each quiz, you will have 3 attempts. You can have 3 attempts at each quiz, right? This isn't to like check your knowledge and test you and really come down hard on you if you don't know it, right? Right after reading the content pages, but it's just so you can like redo, keep quizzing yourself for 3 times so you get the point and it kind of integrates into your mind. So again, just remember each quiz, you'll have 3 attempts. So you'll be fine. And then we have 9 assignments. These are going to be 10 points each. So these are weekly assignments. They could either be practice questions based off of what you've learned, or they could be a minute paper, which means that for 1 minute, you'll write down what exactly you learned, main takeaways, all of those things. So very, very simple, very easy. You'll see, again, when I show you the navigating the course video. Okay, so this is kind of a breakdown a little bit easier. 6 quizzes, 60 points, 5 weekly discussions, 50 points, 9 weekly assignments, which are 10 points each, 90 points. So the whole class is worth 200 points. That's not a lot of points, which means that if you miss one specific assignment, it will hurt your grade a lot. So remember, try to get them done on time, right? If you can't, please email me. So the thing with late work is I do accept late work, right? The weekly workload is always due by Sunday night, 11:59 p.m. But I understand things happen, right? Whether you got really busy, you got distracted, things happen, right? Then I would want you guys to email me something like this. Hi, Professor Hassan, I missed some work, right? Because things were really going on and I just want to make it up. Would that be okay with you? I will almost always say yes. Okay. But let's say if I see this becoming a common phenomenon with you and just like it's happening every week, then I might start to say no. But for the most part, I will always say yes. So some things about contacting me, I will almost always reply to your emails in Canvas box. 24 hours. I do that very, very often. So when you scroll to the end of the syllabus, you'll have a actual calendar. Now, this is probably going to be the most helpful for you. It tells you like the week, right? Week 1, the dates, and what the lesson topic is, and your to-do list, right? So it says week 1, it's from September 30th to October 6th, and the syllabus orientation module / introduction to psychology module, right? And then week 2, it'll tell you the exact dates when everything is due. It's due on the 13th. Psychological research. And I'll basically go all the way to the last week. So this is your entire syllabus. If you have any questions on this, immediately, please let me know. I will see you in the next video when I talk about navigating the course.